got a new screen for the bike. It's a GIVI screen. It's a GIVI touring screen. That's the number there if you need to see it. D1132S. So let's have a look at this. That's what it looks like. Nice looking screen. I've actually already had this on. I was filming earlier, but you couldn't see a damn thing of what I was doing. So hopefully, I'm filming it in 4x3, and hopefully it'll be able to see what we're doing. So all you need for this is a 5mm Allen key for this job. And first thing we're going to do is there's 2 bolts, one here and one here. We're going to take those out. They're just Allen bolts. So just flick them out. Be careful that you don't drop the nut, because you can guarantee in this part of the bike, if you drop a nut, it's going to wind up behind the radiator. Almost guaranteed. So we just undo them. Right, next thing, I need to take off this bit of plastic under here. And if we pull it first, now these red bits are also attached to it. We just pull it and press it, that'll undo one of them there. And the same on the other side. Just pull it, press it with, oops, just pull it, press it with your nail, that's that loose. And then it's just pretty much the same thing all the way around. There's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs here that you need to undo. So again, just use your nail to undo those. There we go. So that actually undid 2 there, it was handy. There we go. And it all just comes off just like that. Dead easy. When I say dead easy, when you first do it, it's bloody hard. Just don't force it. That's all I would say. Right, now there's a bolt here and a bolt here. Well, Allen bolts, both of them. And again, 5mm. Just undo those. Now these things are just screwed into some of those expandable rubber bolts, you know, like you get on a lot of windscreens. And again, be careful taking them out. And you should have, washer wise, you should have a nylon washer and a rubber washer on there. Same on either side. There we go. Them to one side, and all we can do is just lift the screen right off. Okay, as you can see, this is how it fits. That's where your screws go in, and you've got 2 tabs which hook under there into those holes on the front there. So let's have this screen. Alright, so just line up the tabs on either side. There we go, we're in. Push it down so as them tabs engage. There we go. Make sure that they're engaged on both sides. Lovely. And that's it on. Doesn't look too bad, that. You know, quite tall there. It's taller than I actually thought it was going to be, but you know, the idea about this is hopefully getting a little bit less wind noise when we're recording. So put our bolts back in to hold the windscreen on. And again, be careful not to drop these bolts, as again you can guarantee that they'll just wind up behind your radiator. Just wiggle your screen about to get the hole in the right place. Start doing them up. Once it engages in the threads, you can then just start on the other side. There we go. So, do these up. I'm sure there's probably a torque setting for these, but if you just nip them up tight, don't over tighten them, just nip them up nice and tight, and then it's not going to go anywhere, like. There we go. That's nice and solid. Yep, lovely. Make sure everything's still tickety-boo. It is. Alright, now we need our bit of plastic. Right, you can see there's a couple of tabs on either side of these red bits. Just make sure that they engage when you put it in. And you can see there's like a bit of a groove there. That slips into this groove in here, if you can see that. Okay, so that's what we're aiming for. Okay, that's okay. There we go. It's in there. And just do them tabs up like that. See, I didn't get that one in properly, so I've had to force that a little bit, but that's it. All in, nice and solid. Make sure everything's tickety-boo. The sides here. Yeah, right. And then it's just a case of putting these bolts in. One. And again, you don't have to do these up too tight. Obviously just nip them up so that they aren't going to come out. And I'll just hand tight or finger tight, just enough to stop them from coming loose. And that is the job done. Yeah, that's how it looks. It doesn't look too bad. It's quite high though, but that's the idea. It is a touring screen after all. So we'll go out for a ride on that at some point and I'll give you feedback as to how it performs. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again another time.